Hello everyone, myself Ekta Upadhyay and I welcome you to our Tech Career series. A new job position has been emerging in the technology industry called Cloud Engineer. This video is for all the aspiring cloud engineers. These days, more and more companies are turning to cloud-based solutions as their new go-to digital marketing tool. The biggest reason for this is that it is cost-effective. The second is that cloud-based services make it easy for organizations of all sizes to quickly get the software as a service application up and running. So much so that some companies do not even have their own servers anymore. They just use a third-party provider like Amazon Web Services. The demand for cloud engineers is higher than ever before, which translates into better job prospects for anyone interested in pursuing a career in this field. This video will cover what a cloud engineer is, the various tasks a cloud engineer is responsible for, the skill sets needed to be one, how to prepare for cloud engineer interviews, and many more. By the end of this video, we are going to share 5 tips to prepare for a cloud engineer interview. So stay tuned till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Let's get started. So, what is a cloud engineer? A cloud engineer is essentially a specialist in cloud computing. Like most job titles, it is a broad one that can be applied to several specialist roles within the industry, such as infrastructure engineer or data engineer. What's common to all of them, though, is that their focus is on the cloud and how it's shaping the way we do business today. A cloud engineer may be responsible for building and maintaining organizations' data center like a data center engineer. They may also be responsible for helping a company navigate the cloud ecosystem and choosing an appropriate cloud service provider. Now, let us look at why become a cloud engineer. The world of cloud computing is growing rapidly, and companies have been rushing to join the party. As a result, demand for cloud engineers has skyrocketed in recent years. Now is the best time to plan your career in the world of cloud computing. As the nature of the work and the way we conduct business changes, businesses are looking for new innovative ways to use technology. This is especially true when it comes to cloud computing. Cloud engineers are in high demand and are expected to have a bright future ahead of them. With the ability to work in a variety of industries and with few geographical restrictions, there are several reasons to pursue this career path. As a cloud engineer, you will be responsible for managing and maintaining cloud-based systems and applications. Let us look at the top 5 roles and responsibilities you will be expected to perform as a cloud engineer. Number 1, we have designing and implementing cloud solutions. As a cloud engineer, you are expected to design and implement cloud solutions that meet the needs of your organization. This includes selecting the right cloud platform, configuring the system, and ensuring that it meets the organization's security and performance requirement. Number 2 is monitoring and troubleshooting. You must monitor the performance of cloud system and troubleshoot any issues that arise. This includes identifying and resolving any potential security threats and ensuring that system is running optimally. Number 3, automation. Automation is a key part of cloud engineering. Your role may also require you to automate tasks such as provisioning, deployment, and maintenance. This will ensure that systems are running efficiently and that changes are implemented quickly and accurately. Number 4, security. Security is a critical component of cloud engineering. You will be responsible for ensuring that the system is secure and that any data stored in cloud is protected. This includes implementing security protocols, monitoring for potential threats, and responding to any security incident. Number 5. Cost management. As a cloud engineer, you will be responsible for managing the cost associated with the cloud system. These include monitoring usage, optimizing resources, and ensuring that the system is running as efficiently as possible. By understanding these 5 daily roles and responsibilities of a cloud engineer, you will be better prepared to make a successful career in cloud computing. Building and implementing the right skills for any job is very crucial. The right skill sets will help you land your dream job. Let us now discuss the top 10 skills that you will need to become a successful cloud engineer. Number 1. Knowledge of cloud platforms. You will need to be familiar with different cloud platforms such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. You should understand the difference between the platforms and be able to choose the best one for a given project. Second, programming languages. You will need to be proficient in at least one programming language such as Python, Java, or JavaScript. Knowing multiple languages is a plus. You can check out our Python series and start learning Python from scratch. Number 3. Infrastructure automation. You should be familiar with automation tools like Ansible, Chef, and Puppet. These tools are used to automate the deployment and management of cloud infrastructure. Number 4. Database management. You should have good understanding of database management systems such as MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. Number 5. Security. You should have good understanding of security best practices and be able to implement them in cloud-based system. Number 6 is DevOps. You should be familiar with DevOps principle and be able to implement them in cloud-based systems. Number 7. Networking. You should have a good understanding of networking concepts and be able to configure and troubleshoot cloud-based networks. Number 8. Monitoring. You should be familiar with monitoring tools and be able to set up and maintain monitoring systems for cloud-based systems. Number 9 is cloud architecture. You should have a good understanding of cloud architecture and be able to design and implement cloud-based systems. And finally, at number 10, we have troubleshooting. You should be able to troubleshoot and debug cloud-based systems. These are the skills you will need to be successful in cloud computing. With the right skills and experience, you can make a successful career in cloud computing. If you wish to start your career and be a certified cloud engineer, you can check out our post-graduation certificate program in cloud computing. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you have a basic knowledge of all the skills required by a cloud engineer, let's take a step forward and have a look at a few tips to crack the cloud engineer interview. Number 1. Understand the fundamentals of cloud computing. Before you can even think of cracking a cloud engineer interview, you need to have a good understanding of the fundamentals of cloud computing. This includes understanding the several types of cloud services, the different cloud providers, and the different cloud architectures. Number 2, get familiar with the cloud provider you are interviewing for. Every cloud provider has its own set of tools and services. It's important to familiarize yourself with the cloud provider you are interviewing with so that you can answer questions related to their services. Number 3, brush up on your coding skills. Cloud engineers need to be very proficient in coding languages such as Python, Java, and JavaScript. Make sure you brush up on your coding skills before the interview so that you can answer questions related to coding. Number 4. Understand the cloud security landscape. Cloud security is a critical component of cloud computing. Make sure you understand the different security protocols and how they are used to protect cloud-based services. Number 5. Be prepared to answer questions related to cloud architecture. Cloud engineers need to understand the different cloud architectures and how they are used to build cloud-based services. Make sure you're prepared to answer questions related to cloud architecture. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to cracking a cloud engineer interview. We hope you found this video informative and will help you get your career started as a cloud engineer. Do not forget to like, comment and share this video with all the aspiring cloud engineers you know. We also post exciting content on our other social media platforms. Follow our Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn channels to make sure you don't miss anything and continue learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos and remember, keep learning.